Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Today's challenge, I have to try to get in as many rides as I can in Universal Studios. I only bought the tickets last night, no express passes, and I heard it gets hectic. So right now it is 5:30 in the morning. Supposedly they open the gates at 7. We're gonna head over there now. Wish us luck. I'll probably get at least in 3 rides. Demon Slayer, My Hero Academia, Harry Potter, at least. Let's go. As soon as we get here, we are going to try and get in line for Demon Slayer or My Hero. Either or.
Yeah.
Whatever we find first, and then we'll go explore. And then Harry Potter, we're gonna do it at the end, hopefully. Number 3. A ver cómo nos va. I won't get to see Mario, but it's okay. Supuestamente llegamos temprano, ¿verdad? Hella people. A ver cómo nos va. Game plan. Get on the 3 rides first, then shopping, then eating. Or eating and then shopping. Así se logra porque llevamos like 40 minutes in line. We got here early, but the line's moving fast. Así ya en la salida vemos qué bonito está todo. ¡Vámonos! We're walking on. Corriendo, caminando, quítense. Hello. Wait, get the phone out. Where are we at? Where's it right at?
A few moments later.
We got in the wrong ride. We got in the Hollywood thingy-majigger. See how it goes. I think we got it, babe.
You do.
I think we got lost. We didn't know where Demon Slayer was at, and we thought it was this one, so we got in it. But it's a short line, so we're gonna take advantage of it. At least we'll get in one ride. We got in the Hollywood one. Sin querer queriendo. But line is moving fast. We'll see how it goes. It was worth it. Estaba chingón. Took us through the whole park. The whole park. Okay, that was fun. I'm glad we did that one, even though it was a mistake. Yeah, she did. She didn't open her eyes. I did. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. How fast are we going? Look.
I felt it.
That was crazy. That was good. You felt everything out. Like we were lifting and everything. Babe, it was like.
As soon as we went downhill,
Yep, it was crazy. It was so cool. This Hollywood ride, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Porque it takes you through the whole park. You see everything. I saw up, down, side to side. Beautiful. Hollywood Dream. Love that ride. This is ahora vamos, mira.
Scary.
That was cool. It was a fun ride.
And then you were in the corner, so you saw
Yes, I saw everything. That's why I wanted the corner. Tenemos que pararnos en el centro. Put the glasses on. You know what, babe? I'm glad we got here because today's the last day for My Hero Academia. So today it will discontinue until who knows when. Tower Mine final. Kill. No hay un pin. I need a pin. Yes, we're gonna get that for Liana. Okay, update. The wait time for Demon Slayer is 170 minutes. So I think it's like almost 3 hours. However, Harry Potter, the rides are a little shorter. They're like 30 minutes. So we're gonna go see if we can go into the Harry Potter area. If not, we're gonna come back and then get online for Demon Slayer. And then at least we got 2 rides so far. One was Unpredicted. The second one was the My Hero Academia. And then the third, we can't do 3. Okay. Harry Potter. Hopefully we can go in.
Give me in the list.
Oh, here we go. Huh? I don't know. I've never seen these rocks. That's gotta be for a ride, no? Oh, but it's close, so. Oh yeah. Here we go. No way. So cool. Ahí. Con la mía. Cool today. Look, mira, babe. There's a train. Oh. Mira los luggages. We're using a one over there. I don't know what the Easter egg is. Lord, she already tried it without me. Here we go. Uno. Cheers. Menealo. Right? Isn't it delicious?
I wonder what it was with
Like the regular one? Creo que no me gusta, but I love this frozen one. It's my favorite. Buttermilk. It is hot here in Japan. Look at all these. I love this detail. So far, I think here in Japan is better. Update. Se está moviendo rápido la fila. Es lo bueno. Pero hace un calor. Gracias a Dios traje esta toalla y la mojé. Si llegan a venir a Japón, traen un abanico. Ya lo guardó. Pero llegamos. Pero vengo a grabar porque aquí está el AC.
Ay, qué rico.
Se siente ahí en esas puertas. No hace falta. ¿Quién se ve allá? Ahí está Dumbledore. ¿Cómo sí, verdad? ¿No? ¿Cómo se llama?
Ese no es Dumbledore.
No. Yeah, no.
No, Dumbledore es ese viejito.
Por eso. That's his entrance.
Pero de el agua.
We're finally inside. 7 nada. This is cool. Sorry. There's a mirror. I don't know who that is. Kratos. Imagine if they move. That would have been insane.
She's moving.
¿Se mueve? No, ¿verdad?
Yeah, she is.
Oh, she's kind of moving. Oh, she did. Oh. Sí se movió la güey. Con los outfits. That was a very, very fun ride. I think I like it more. I've only been to the Universal Studios in Orlando and I liked it, but this one's went above and beyond. Okay, with deseanos suertes, vamos a entrar a Demon Slayer Village. A wait time of 150 minutes. It is 11:24, so maybe by 1. But this will be our last ride because we only want to get 3. With this one will be 4, so I think we accomplished what we wanted. After this, vamos a tratar de some food, some souvenirs, and like explore the park. But 4 roads, 4 rides. Line is very, very huge, very huge. If you're able to get the express pass, I think I do recommend you should get it. The reason why I couldn't get it, tried to get it in America, my card did not process everything until I got here. I don't know what the issue was. I don't know if it was my bank or what, but it is what it is. Things happen for a reason. I'm actually happy. Look, I've done 3 rides that I wanted to do. In reality, I saved a couple money, but here we are. 2 hours and a half of wait time. Okay, ya miren, llegamos, nos van a tomar una foto. These little pods, I'll take a picture. Aquí afuera, a ver. Lo único que llevamos para comer. We just got out of Demon Slayer and I had a taco burger. Oh wow, that's good. Not disappointed. 4 rides. Now it's just walk, explore, and shop. Gonna grab that sword right there. Got a churro sword. This is cool. Nice. Now, I don't know where I left my girl. Oh, she's over here.
Those are in the shade.
Oh. The Demon Slayer. It was cool and it was unexpected. It's a roller coaster. You can't see it from outside. It's underground. Caught me by surprise. And we just ate and it's 3 o'clock. So it can be done. Now we're just gonna explore, see what we can find. Just got done riding this guy. It is a crazy ride. You just twist, turn, up, down. Yeah. It's so cool. It's so cool. So I got 5 rides in one day. Pan at Universal Studios. Mysterious pin. The Harry Potter. Si me toca una casa, that's the house I'm just gonna stick with. I hope it's not Slytherin. Babe!
Oh, that's the one you
shit,
wanted.
this is what I wanted. That's cool.
That is really cool.
Okay, I'll take it. No me den dinero. Y hay más en la mochila. Ni modo. Que andamos haciendo agarrando pizza aquí en Japón, pero vamos a ver qué tal sabe. ¿No has probado?
No, no, yeah.
Mine is shrimp. Yo aquí representando a Tanjiro. They're like fried rice. I'm gonna let the pizza cool down. Dale la probada. Shrimp pizza. It's different. 7. I'm being generous. I got him 5 rides. My girl got him 4. No express passes, and I shopped a lot. And it's still 7 p.m. They close at 10. Technically, we can still get in another ride, but we're kind of tired. Too much walking. 17,000 steps. ¿Qué dijo? Ya no sigamos Look at this. It's like they hook you. They're like, oh, you're heading out? Well, guess what? There's more stuff right here. Les voy a tener que dar mis pompis a estos güeyes porque no. Thank today's sponsor to my credit.